Hello! In front of me I have Coros Pace 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Coros application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. In the app, you should see the Today page. Now tap on the device icon right here to open the device page. And on this page, you should see your Pace 2. Now tap on it to open the settings for your Pace 2. Here, tap on the Remove option and then tap on Continue. Tap on Done. The watch will disappear from the list of devices. You can close the app. Now open the settings on your iPhone. In Settings, tap on Bluetooth. Here you will see the Coros Pace 2 on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on Forget this device and tap on Forget device to disconnect it from your iPhone. And once you're done, close the settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.